From the KYP-List Cloud portal in your account, click on the application's icon and select KYP. The application opens on the list view, which represents, in list form, the tanks in your account's wineries. The main process information is displayed. The tank name, the batch name, its volume, the name of the main grape variety, but also information concerning the process itself. In particular, certain indicators developed by KYP-List using predictive models, such as the stage of the process, its status, and the percentage of completion. These process indicators can be used to send notifications, warning the user of a potential danger. In addition to the main information, further information is available by clicking on a tank line. This action causes a secondary line to appear, displaying additional information, including the contents of a notification, the date of the alcoholic fermentation peak, or the alcoholic fermentation duration. By default, all the wineries in the account are selected, but you can choose a winery from all the wineries in your account. Tanks are organized into 3 categories, which can be selected using the drop-down list above the list. The first category includes tanks in process. The second category includes tanks that are empty or in the process of being filled. Finally, the last category includes tanks that the user has set as favorites. To select or deselect a favorite tank, click on the star at the left end of each line. The star is grayed out when the tank is selected, and then appears in the favorite tanks category. By default, tanks are sorted alphabetically by name. They can be sorted in reverse alphabetical order, but also by tank filling date in chronological order, or in reverse chronological order. It is also possible to display only those tanks of particular interest to the user. The filter can be activated by clicking on the appropriate button, then selecting the desired filter criterions. The list view then displays only those tanks that match the criteria, and a badge indicates how many filters have been applied. Filters can be deactivated by clicking on the button again, then deleting the filters. Finally, it is possible to access the specific view of a tank by clicking on the right-hand end of its line.